Mr.D-E back with another one. Yes, CEO of Dasourcess is here with y'all today with another how-to video. This one right here is literally specifically for this new group that I am a part of, as y'all can see on the screen. SBC. What does SBC stand for? Successful by choice. Yeah, I like the name of that. So successful by choice. You feel me? We doing big things over here. This is a networking community group that's basically about to take over on a major level, and building connections and networking to help each other grow. YouTube and things like that. We're about to really change the game, change the algorithm, change some things. So the lady that just created the SBC, I gotta shout out. Hold on, give me 1 second, cause you know I wouldn't even be making this video right now if it wasn't for this lady, Rae Vonshae. Rae Vonshae. She's is the basically the CEO of SBC. Yes, she is. And so I told her I'm gonna create a instantly, because right when you get in the group is we talking about playlists and things like that, about YouTube playlists. And I know a lot of people might not know how to make a playlist for themselves and things like that. So I'm gonna teach you right now. I'm gonna teach you how to make a playlist and what's the benefits of having a playlist and how you can really use YouTube playlists. So let's get right into it. I ain't gonna even waste too much of y'all time. Let's do this. So boom, we on YouTube. Right, so you own the first thing first. Sign in if you're not signed in into YouTube. So I done learned that there's 2 ways to do this. Well, really kind of 3, but 2 ways to do this. So either you create a video, upload a video if it's not your content is not already uploaded on your channel. So this is something that you want to actually start getting in the habit of doing when you start, uploading your content to YouTube. So you get you do what you normally do when you uploading a video, select your file and things like that. You do your normal, your title, your description. Some of us use TubeBuddies. I'm gonna have that in the description. Go ahead and check that out. If you don't know about it, it helps with the SEO. So anyway, right here, a lot of y'all skip it, and I'm not sure why, but it says playlist. Add your video to one or more playlists. Playlists can help you discover your content faster. So for me specifically, I already have many playlists. So when I click it, it's gonna give me all of my playlists. So how I use playlists is how a lot of people use different YouTube channels, because I'm a beginner at YouTube, and I didn't really feel like creating so many different versions of YouTube just to create a different type of content for my YouTube channel. So what I came up with is you take advantage of the playlist, which is the same thing as anyone that have different YouTube channels, like YouTube gaming people, the people that do cooking, and whatever the necessary your niche might be, or whatever the content might be. That's what you're normally make your YouTube channel only specifically around. But in reality, you can really just take advantage of playlists and make your whatever you're cooking or your vlog or whatever the case may be, and turn it to a playlist, and it all go on one channel. Great, sound amazing, right? So yes, so for me personally, you can take a little bit of notes of whatever I already have. I got get inspired with my lot of motivational videos and things like that. My live streaming when I'm playing video games and things like that. The vlog, shorts, interviews, really self-explanatory. You feel me? So you literally just click one. I'm just for this purpose, I'm just gonna click one. Done. Boom. I normally would have had, my whole description, my tags, everything will already been done, recording date, everything before I hit the next. But you hit next, you hit next, you hit next. No copyright issue, nothing wrong. You hit save, and it directly already into your playlist. Okay? So the other way is basically go to your channel once again, go to your YouTube studio, you go to your content, right? Okay, let it load. Go to content, and then what you do is it's the same what I already taught you, but you'll just basically go edit your videos. And it's on the phone it's kind of simpler to do it, a little faster. But what you will have to do is literally come up with what your playlist will become and what you want your playlist to be, or like whatever the content going to be in that playlist. And if you already got content, all you do is go to your content and go organize it. That's basically what you're doing on your YouTube channel. You're organizing your content for different type of content so that you can have all your content on one channel. And that is, hold on, wait, I'm gonna show you though, just to make sure the if you didn't know, you go details. And actually, this would be a simpler way. So you just go to each one, put it in the specific playlist that you would like it to go to. You go to your next video, and you do the same thing, and etc. 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 And that is your way, SBC, of creating. That is your way to create a playlist. Yes, that is the way to create a playlist. So yes, let's grow, SBC. Let's grow. It is time for us to take over on major levels. So now you just learn how to create a playlist. Now you know what time it is. It's time to watch. It's time to share. It's time to grow. Let's do this. Mr.D-E is back with y'all another one. I've got so much coming. But other than that, y'all have a great one. Y'all have a blessed one. And let's keep on pushing. Because we all about to grow. Let's do this. Mr.D-E out.